Now, Human Poverty Index is no longer used for assessment of poverty in a country. It has been replaced by a more comprehensive indicator now, that is MDPI, Multi-Dimensional Poverty Index. So let us now look at MDPI. It is also an index, so it must be a combination of indicators. It is also a combination of three indicators. What are these three indicators? First is health. Second indicator is education. And third indicator is living standards. So most probably question will be asked like this: MDPI include all except? So it includes three indicators: health, education, living standards. These three indicators are further comprised of a total of 10 sub-indicators. Health indicator has two sub-indicators. These are child mortality and nutrition. When we look at education as an indicator, it has two sub-indicators. These are years of schooling and school attendance. Living standards has got a total of 6 sub-indicators. These are fuel which is used, electricity, flooring in the house, water, assets and toilets, that is the sanitation facility. So we can see a total of 3 indicators comprising of further 10 sub-indicators. Besides component, what could be asked is the range of MDPI, current value of India, and how do we interpret multi-dimensional poverty index. Range of MDPI, just like HDI, MDPI also lies between 0 to +1. When we look at our country India, MDPI of India is 0.121 and it has indicated 27.5%. Above 1/4 of the Indian population is poor currently. How do you interpret MDPI? If MDPI deprivation is 20 to 33.3%, this is interpreted as vulnerable to poverty. But if this is more than 33.33%, it indicates poverty. And if it is more than 50%, then severe poverty. Overall interpretation of MDPI: if there is deprivation in more than 1/3 of the indicators, it indicates poverty in the country.